I think ezilanduka ezi-alerts zazicima kancini phofa nje uzicima zahlisa yabo la ngabantu abafollowishayo. So anyway, hi all man. This is our first stream, so shout out to everyone.
Shout out to the chat
that came through yabo. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a good one. But yeah, before this introduce, Uyone promised. Sibalek. Why? Uyone promised ba uzothandazela. Okay, Tunwas. Okay. As much as it's seriously, first stream, bone, funeke si involve God.
Mabonga.
Because you have a move la uyothetha na.
Yabo. It's seriously we.
Manexen, mamela, imthandazo wami umncinci ninganijudge.
No.
Hayi mani umthandazo
Because what you have.
Thoba uhlobo ethetha nalo noThixo aningendaba ukuthetha njani noThixo wakho yona. Yabo. Umfitshane yona.
Yamachita imani. So lu discuss umthandazo bathini. Into esenhliziyweni.
Ngilapha ndizile apha ngomfukeni ngothethayo amakhathasiferi bawashana abathethe mamhle mthomamo silapha sisonke size ngale ndoda le
Rally wantaba.
size ngale ndoda kuthiwa ngufako izozama lento kuthiwa kustreamer izozama into angayinayo apha eKapa izozama apha eKapa size sizothini zozosebenza wastreamer wavula ikhawashi uyasebenza Makwandi faka ubekhosi
Mabekhona indoda ezokoseka lamazi.
Amazi yathike ngumuntu kamfukenge ke. Ngiyakhasa mfokazisi.
Ayikho.
Ngeloke ngiyakloka.
Qala kulo scene.
so apha
Must introduce la
sintu kaloko
qala yona
Musa ngapi pa camera kanye apha
Ha kamereni.
okay mambuze pa you what up chat
yeah.
What up, chat? This is your boy Kyle Michelson, the host that does the most, aka Daddy Yona, aka Kyle Michelson.
That's
Mufasa!
Yeah!
Okay, Kyle Michelson. Yeah. Ningajonga i-DM zami apha man.
Naziveza jo.
Okay, nangu Kyle ke guys.
Yeah.
Yo 11.4. Okay, nice to know you.
So Zaminto says
Next customer, please tell us.
Next customer,
Please tell us to. Hi, chat. My name is Ase. Asemahle Ngunane. Yeah. Oh no, she's
C'est all block. Damn, shorty. Okay, and you, my sister?
my name is Ntwete Grama. I am Entle Chia. Clock.
Okay. I am Entle.
ungangeni ki-DM nyani
Uthe enhle jika ngathi I'm enhle.
Lokiwe.
Lokiwe kaloku wena.
Unblokile.
Wena uniblockile.
Kayihlombe
Ngene blacklist yakho.
Nah. Andimblokanga.
Alibhokhe efonini ndifuna uvela pha.
Refresh mhlobo wami.
No, oyisa.
Amen.
Yenza.
Oh my God.
Coast ya boy le, coast ya.
My angel.
Khona le video.
The biscuit what?
Stop it.
Bo,
Cash cut.
now what is
Oh, friend.
Shut up. Clock it.
Nansi camera.
Hi guys, I'm Zenani Mkukela. Yeah.
Abantu bale intro
Intombi, intombi.
Kama lakhe kanye kanye kusenana mkhulu.
Zenani _Mkukela.
Waba maxa badume ngantoni? Ngidume ngantoni apha eKapa?
Sinazi njani thina? Thina ngiyachaka sinazi njani?
Hayi.
What is here?
Ungachita ndiyakuthi.
Hayi.
Introduction mayikhawuleze.
Ayo, uyakhawuleza. Yes, I'm not Zizi.
That's Mufasa.
Yes, I'm not Zizi.
Yes, I'm not Zizi. That's Mufasa.
Ungulot Zizi nala?
Yes, I'm not
Ah,
Zizi.
nansi election. Awulot Zizi.
I'm cooking. Sabotage.
Abona sabotage le. Yima house sabotage. Yibushona.
Kaya kule ine shit ngathi something.
Indlela yami ayiroma.
Ufeza le AI kophuma khona AI yakho. Nansi AI.
Ko hayi ke le.
Zangu wafit wena.
Ah, we fit man.
Ngonyala kandibela.
Abona.
Vamos.
Can you speak out sikuve?
Ngonyala kandibela.
Ngabelo. Konya kanti.
Ah, nansi la nje.
You sabotage.
Igwegwe. Ora
Ora man.
ora kudala le.
You are. I'm
Urithi
always say help.
kakhulu.
Yadawa nkonyana kandaba. Ajazi message.
Pictures.
Oh, exactly. Okay. If you believe buzohleka amjoin ngoba ikhona ehlekisana.
Uyamfuna nje.
Oh.
Hey guys, look Aluta Mbupa.
Why you not confident?
Ivoice esegisa abafana le. Esegisa abafana le voice. Alutha Mbupa.
Where are the niggas?
Oh my god!
Yadripa ke intombi. Intombi yadripa.
Le bikini. Oh.
What is it?
Igama lami lingulitha.
Hayi ayo voice yakho.
Yabo igama lami
Hayi
nje.
bafethu kwabe serious.
Igama lami lingulitha mos.
Litha bani?
Uyafana kubona nakho.
Nakya.
Nakya.
Jela pisha la phone yako.
Nonchalant.
Nonchalant bwana.
Wale daily basis ni.
Otherwise that's amazing yabo. Mna ke khona ibandi introduce.
Ngibani na bhuti?
Yeah.
Ngibani uya.
Yeah, hayi bo. Dingora man. Eh,
Njani?
hayi ndiyayincanywa.
Irala bro bro.
Abo i-orange lena.
Kasibalisele
Ungena yaphi?
Ngonyale boy.
Nochuku sisi.
I-pro picture.
She's jealous.
Ah man, disuka kude nala pro picture man.
Skip.
Hayibo ndivela kude nala picture.
Yazi lolu chongo chongafaka. Phuma ke phuma up.
Skip.
Phuma it all.
Kasibalisele ngale mini.
Yeah, you must remember alut wayesili catfish.
Oh
Oh, so
no.
mimi umjika.
Uyambasela kodwa. Oh, uyambasela.
Unyansile.
I didn't say anything to Boka.
So ngoku this is like the last one when it comes to introduction. So take a hot seat. Then select a chat ibuze like 2 questions. And say pendula. So who's taking like
Qala wena.
Okay guys, like 2 questions. Ningayenzi it too hard. Like just give me 2 questions.
Hathi wazifuna kwami questions that's Okay, question yokuqala
Why did you block him?
Yeah.
what's freakiest thing you have done?
What?
No,
First
why?
Man. Leyo blocker yabo boy 2. Asizu ngena personal.
What the question?
Okay. Like we had a
Guys.
That's to forget bro.
like we had a fallout dancer blokan. I want blokan.
You am block.
Exactly.
No, it's okay. But Pendulenye.
Okay, yes being yo.
Iyajela noyela.
Hayi nansi chiwo bokuchat.
And bafuna yona Wenzani noyolanda nangomnye.
Zayidibanisa.
Girlfriend.
Yeah, abo, I'm friends with Yolanda man. Cherry ngena
Very good.
Eh, andokhelwa apha.
Ase.
Apha ndokhelwa apha.
Abafundi ezikho. Yima sonukwasa kalabhanza lokho. Sala phansi.
But you can't them.
Bayithuka each other le.
I'm telling you one.
Niyangconya
Three.
I'm telling you one.
Dependile.
Man.
You know intombazane yaqeda athi ngutri. Ibethi imbreka yakhe, i-ex yakhe, i-O yakhe.
Imaze mashipendile la.
Okay, yima 3 times ba.
Uta who just smash apha kuleni.
Yeah.
Ngicela umbuzo. Afuna
CV yangiqoza.
Okay, I'll
No,
live. And come down and smash up in the room. Peace out.
Tell me how many.
We can do better guys.
Yona it's you. Ingase babuziwe serious kondo khelwe mna
Siyakwazi Facebook.
Oh, by the way,
ngamshaka suzisa.
Sincam. How many body counts you on? Now is the same question.
No, it's your favorite ex! Favorite ex! Yes! Yes! Favorite ex! Oh my god! God, can you please answer that? Guys, we are
Kaiwan,
Can
Media training.
Media training.
Mana lagi mana? Lagone ngamin. Mamela ne. Mamela.
Favorite ex.
I recently broke up with my girlfriend, Sabuyelana, so he ex yam, so she's my favorite.
Media training. Media training.
Media training.
What's the next question?
Okay, let's see. What's your biggest fear? Yeah, I'm still being serious with life.
Not
Chill.
making it.
Abo, ningena.
My biggest fear is not being successful.
Okay.
Francis one.
Yabona kwaLutho troublemaker man aLutho man. aLutho troublemaker man. Okay. Ngene aLutho ngokuthi sick. aLutho troublemaker team.
Wildest
Wildest
thing she's
thing
done
you
to
have
a
done.
guy.
Yeah, wildest thing you have done.
To a guy.
What is
Wildest
wildest? A
thing
wild.
you've
Okay,
done
wayenza.
to a guy.
Mfanele. Yeah. Phendula ntombazana.
What is? Hey.
Kantoro. Langithule enkantolo.
Makuthule ngisho.
Suka ngixoxe.
Akazuxoke.
Thule enkantolo.
Ngoba
Ndaya
announce kuye namhlanje ne. Ngomso leyo kona. Oh my day. Second question, favorite position.
Yamazi ke mna akaxoki.
Amtisikiwe.
Uyima
Oh, ukulala nayo lalela.
Awani inkosi ngokho.
Umile umbuzo apha kuthi kule kona.
Wamtisikiwe.
Bonke.
Oh my day.
Bonke mabade is fine.
Uthanda fika late boy.
philanthropist le.
Kunekhezo yakhe lo mna.
Kekhora okanye? Kekhora okanye?
Ikhondo.
You doesn't have to go that deep.
Find out something.
Khora or no?
Yeah, come here, condom.
Oh my days.
Hayi, khawuze sis.
Bitches.
Okay, ngosibu bitches ngoku yabo. 2 questions for this nigga. Yeah, biggest achievement bitches.
What's serious?
Why are you gay? Bitches.
We are here.
I'm a super big
Your
achievement.
biggest
Biggest
achievement.
achievement. Yonke into nekane mali yami achievement.
Fundi nona.
Ufethu.
Why are you gay?
Yeah.
First question.
We are here wena.
Hayi khona nyantom. Uthanda ugay and ugay nyashe. Angathi
Wali Okay, biggest achievement yami. Biggest achievement yami uthini?
Ijeli ima.
Kubani nayo yakho boy.
Oh.
Sitanalo
You
mntu.
need the receipts.
Say yes.
Most craziest place you have is 6 bandwana.
animemelanga le question ka bitches.
Question is big. It's like the wildest place waka was shining.
Why Benjaba?
Kuse stadium.
Elwandle.
Oh
my days.
Kuse stadium like a bag. Under drum stand. Under drum stand behind the changing room.
Yo, sayikhumbula.
Sayikhumbula.
Hayi wena sayikhumbula.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, please.
Question yokuqala, why did you block him?
Nayo question yokuqala imizwa ngabantu nothi nguwe.
Motor.
Enhle, do you feel him?
Hayi!
Leka Yolanda.
if you-
Yuka, Enhle, do you something about Enhle? Do you feel something about Nkosi no Yolanda? So a question. Question enjalo.
Feeling though.
Guys,
Marshmallow.
I don't have feelings about it. It has nothing to do with me if a relationship.
man, you got a much
Oh, okay.
Mistake. What did you say?
Mistake.
Repeat your answers as well.
What I got feeling is.
Ndiyandifila into
Ah,
Stop the cap.
I'm clapping.
Stop the cap.
Do you have a crush in the room?
How's the beach move?
I knew it.
No. Praise though.
Oh, Ima. If you have borrowed that question, to describe your type.
Hayi bo. After that uzothi.
Dlala phansi.
Dlala phansi.
Iyarep yakhe wena.
When we tap yakhe.
Guys, I don't have a type.
Ngiyamuthe uyishebana beans.
I don't have a type.
Yeah, bekunjani umuntu yamthanda cha. As
No.
long as indoda.
Tara is a...
As long as I have peep.
Oh. Ndoda.
No man, happy there. What was this?
As long as.
Amen.
Okay, ngosingena ku Tara. Starisi.
Uhlala phansi.
Starisi.
Hayi, uzodlala lapha wa.
Okay, singena ku Steez ngoku. Aluthu phambene nyani.
Hayi bo bathini aba ngoku ngawo.
That's wild.
Let's say must focus on into leyo.
Yeah.
Eyami yesibini.
Yokuqala liphezulu kanifaka.
Steez apparently walala nentombi owayisatisfy last day.
Uyakweshile man.
Is it true?
Oh, is it true?
Ngizazilapho lo.
I'm invested in this.
Utheni no mos akhethi ngizazilapho.
false.
Utheni no makhethi.
Ile quiz.
Andiyazi nalo.
Wakhonyizi wabethi.
Andiyazi lo leyo ta.
Khonyizi.
True or false with the true.
Hayi man.
So you're for yours.
False.
Hayi konyizi hayi konyizi.
Obvious
Another
what
one.
false.
Another one.
Okay, now the question Steez ta okay ucinga uchata in your life like
Yabo, obvious.
expand.
Obvious labo kubalekile uchata
Why?
ube stable.
Why?
Yeah.
And what do you look to?
Elaborate,
no,
yes, elaborate.
Kaloku
Why?
ngosazojani.
Like why?
Unjani omnye ukhangelayo from chat?
Umntana nenhloni.
Johnny.
Hayibo.
Oh, zamuthi ngalo.
Hayibo ngelapha lo.
Hayi yazi.
Ngelapha lo. Into vele
Hayi bo
nenhloni.
ndingena ngoku mnyanyana.
Abo sithanda ngami nje.
Kenza ngani abekele.
Ngelapha je no.
What you got?
Andizabeka umuze.
Okay.
Asisondele mzala.
Say pen.
Hayi. No.
Asiziphendula.
How did you mean Ngosi?
Throw pitches.
You had to choose between
Who's
love
any
or money.
questions,
Okay.
If you had to choose between love and money, what would you choose?
Money, hayibo. Mali. Ithando lakheka imali.
Clark it, bazalwane, Clark it.
Yes, girl.
Ah, yeah.
Idom lo wele. So ke celebrity crush ufuna this week.
Hayi.
Ziright nazo.
Uyafuna bani celebrity crush yakho?
Joke.
Ungathi mina ndio
ASAP
celebrity.
Rocky.
Ungathini
Ade celebrity team na unga team na.
Ashuli.
Sikole celebrity nje.
Zizi.
Izuli.
Question lithi, how long have you been dating Asemahle?
Oh, kulungezele. These are you dating also Konyuka? These are you dating also if you knew a friend of yours was fucking a friend's girl?
Tell.
Crazy.
It's a question. If you were dating ne and some did this like Ucholan Chomi ne, then mina, I have sex with her, would he tell if he knew?
Damn.
But it's slow, like we have to
Hayi o
explain.
Uthini ngibuza?
Kombuzo now.
Kayibuza.
Would you tell a friend if you check like iyatyelwa, if uyatyelwa basically?
Vamos.
That was the question ngaloka it's
Kumele kuba ngubani lo otyelwa nje?
Wanixelela Hayi Steez. Hayi.
Okay, what's the craziest thing ever happened to your party?
I have a serious
to
question.
stuck. Ndihamba nenkazana yam.
Your advice to your younger self. Akala younger self wonga man, what igqize khona like.
Why gqezela iqhego? Ngiyadlala izokhala ngawo.
Awata nya.
Cancel na mfundisi.
Abasibasala challenge. Awata nya.
Okay, ngaluthethe.
To what?
Twas.
You know what? Oh,
Get a load of this guy.
Twas.
Get a load of this guy.
twas.
It was always there. No,
Alo ngiyacingisi.
Iyaqinisa.
yeah.
Test I choose abantu. Yeah.
I'm in a relationship.
Man, 20 questions.
20.
Man,
Him also body answers man.
Mamelan.
Also body answers.
I'm not prepared. Sizonqetsanani.
That's my shakini answers.
Man, zanungam.
Ndungami.
Sizonqetsanani. I just want to see. Bakothi kanjani?
Coach let's come on. Let's get for para come on. Let's make a coach card.
Iman madoda. Okay, 1994 ne. Okay, siyaqala iquestion eqala. Iman. Lenyuka la xesha lethu. Nizanifundela.
Ngicela
Which one of the 5 is least like
snake.
the other 4?
Snake.
Why? Elaborate.
Snake.
Ato.
Because I not
Man.
Snakes, guys.
Hima, what is snake because of what?
Because I know
Bathong.
Why is it snake?
Bathong.
English.
Oh my god.
So come snake, bus boy.
Iman madoda nithini?
Emotion.
Hima,
Bathong. Man, okay. So 30 questions. Umuntu uzoba le question yakhe. Okay, guys, this. Uthini this?
Snake.
Snake ne?
Give me more.
Okay.
Give me 2 more. Let me go,
Man.
brother.
Which number should come next in the series?
Sangano.
Hayi madoda. Oh madoda.
Zinto ezilula kaloku.
Zinegatives ezabanye
Akasinasikolo, what the
Yeah,
heck?
let's masenze kanjani we umuntu makathathe IQ test yakhe.
No, I think 20 questions.
Izahamba fast kaloku sinike time.
Madoda man.
Irayithi ehlobo.
Man madoda. Ingxaki nini xabise utywala apha ekhapha.
Isikolo.
Andiyithandi loo nto. Ndifuna utesta.
Ayithathe msakhe, ayithathe.
Ndizayithatha zam. Awuthi ngicalculate. Which number should come next in the series?
Okay, wena thathe ke.
Alutha khawume. Sanubhoxe. Ingxaki niyasele kapha. Andiyithandi loo nto. Okay, nansi question.
Thathe yakho. Sikunika wena.
Yakho.
Girls, nansi question.
Ask her allowed to for chat GPT.
Uthiwa 21 guys.
ChatGPT.
Nduma abantu.
21.
Oh yeah.
I said that.
Yeah, 5 plus 3 is 8.
Okay, 21. Okay.
Awu ndiyafundisa boss.
Man. This is like the second question. Don't get your high.
Wese ku easy ke jo.
Man.
Kuthiwa easy.
Okay.
Wait.
Yo, Kaifundi.
Which one of the
Yima,
5
ndicela
choices
ufuna-
makes the best comparison?
Which one of the 5 choices make the best comparison? Peach is to
Guys, what the heck is this?
Ngubani answer?
Okay.
Iman, Ima masi organize ngqala mamela.
Listen.
Girls, this
It's this
This
one.
one.
This guy's one.
No, it's one.
Amantombazana wodwa and the
Imani,
guys.
ndizafuna orchestrator qala.
Okay.
1, 5,
Yo,
6.
ela gama
Who
le.
is? Oh, the letters. Okay.
Ufuna orchestrator.
Guys are alone and then we team as girls.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
bonke ngoba
Ngobani
le-
abathanda le? Is it girls or what?
Kaloku ngoba ndiphandle.
Iman qala. Is it girls or is it guys? It's a question.
Come on,
See,
man.
guys.
Baliphendule nami.
It's the last one.
Uvile, uvile,
That's the last one.
Uye khona ya.
Ichedi niyancila ngoso. Calm down. Man, I'm a cherry.
Okay, Mary, who is 16 years old, is 4 times as old as her brother. How old will Mary be? She was twice as old as her brother. Mary, who is 16 years old, is 4 times as old as her brother. How old would Mary be when she is twice as old as her brother?
See, Simmons to calculate.
So whatever Mary is 16,
Una 16 Mary.
brother yakhe is 4 times as old.
Sanubanika answers. Chat sanubaniki answers.
So hard to chance.
Don't do that.
Let's go.
The answers. Let's go, girls. We have time, so
20 guys,
What is the highest number?
Yes,
Keta
definitely. 28 is the last one.
Keta.
Hello, mtu.
it's a good brother.
Which leather shape will be made in the two sections when fitted together?
Imagine masitshoni basithandusele kapha. Masivumelwa thina sithandalusela namantombi therefore sidomi. Ayanyiwa ke.
It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. I'm about to show my ass. This nigga's not free. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up with my niggas.
Yeah, cause I got that blick. 60,000 fans can't see me do my dance. Got a million and one haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. Turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shows. Yeah, cause I got that with me. I'm a fifth for him, getting fucked up with my twin. Got me backwards to the side, and a background full of beans. All that to the type and bitches see me in that off top with some biker shorts. I'm showing out my moose look. I'm feeling good today. I'm outside with your pay. Got a brown skin nigga with dreads and a black ass nigga with white. He gon' drop that neck. He got the way I sit. Like niggas bitches dressed. So high, damn the red. Pussy fresh. His shirt out wet. You want smoke? Say what? Oh, get that off your chest. Turned up with my niggas. Turned up with my bitches. Turned up with my shows. Yeah, cause I got
My guy. Right here with me. Turned up with my bitches.
Ifoni yangu. Yo abanxilile abantu.
Nizonixelela bani wrong rules.
Thetha wethu bitches dog.
So into kanje yabo. Wena
Ndiyafunda phaa.
schizophrenic wena.
Except brat. Cela sithule entsongeni. Cela sithule entsongeni.
Wena into kanje ne.
Okay.
Ndizokhetha iwe one apha ne. Then sigesi bayibhalwe ngubani. Yabo.
Yeah.
Oy esiba ubhaqe wena uyasela.
Yasel short.
Akasela.
Hayi, akho niphila. Uqala ubhalule ngimi, akwazi ubhala utsho.
Hayi bo.
Utsho kum.
Okay, must be the rules. Like if
Uyinela yami ka uva wena.
So this grand man.
if usigese umuntu oyi-1 if like song is familiar, okay, we have to all answer to one person.
Oh, never discuss.
Mhlawumbe ithi uthi wena hayi kuSteez bekuthiwa ndim mhlawumbe befumane 5 yebo then you can understand I think wenza more sense
Pamela umuntu most votes qa Paul
Exactly, most
Yeah, uyaqibelisa.
Nomntu ubhale apha uthi I'm fine like fine
Ako wrong
like fine
Ayisheri le.
tell me fine wine guys you need to investigate mina yazi into mabani Ronaldo I'm fine that's I'm fine
Okay, if votes, guys, let's vote.
let's vote yima ka uthi ngibana fa
guys.
uthi ngibana
When uthi ngibana lokho nosizo.
uthi ngibana bhale ya I'm fine okay uthi ngibana sisi
Fine.
uthi ngibana fine
ulimalo Paul lot
okay two uthi ngibana wena
Imanithemba.
Okay.
Uthina asemanje alutha man.
ivote i2 lapha
Mina nithi aluta.
to 2
Two ngoko.
Okay, nechat masibuze.
Sekulate ngoku. Uzichat uba ngubani.
hayi lo sisi unjani ka
Hello. Kubani ke lo? I'm saying
bani lebhala I'm fine
Tongo enhle.
kuthiwa nguzizi asemahle
Kubaluthe into yemini.
kuthiwa serious 7 nami ngiyavumela
Ronaldo.
okay i-review time ngubani lebhala I'm fine
yeah
Dayazi writing yakhe.
Oh my days. Send
hey I was disappointed okay yena ithi lena I was fucked in a car while driving
Oh my God! While driving! It's a guy!
Yeah, that's a guy.
Yakuba wena ke la
I was
bona.
fucked no
Oh, I was fucking. Listen.
Azingazange uzizi.
Silly statement. Silly statement.
Ungathika ndinguwe.
Silly statement. Fucked in a car while driving.
I don't even know how to drive. What the heck?
A guy can't get fucked. Even Mshibuyo Bala, I fucked while I was driving.
Abantu bazofa emanyaleni.
So bad. I read the crazy.
Maybe a misinterpreter. As a guy, you can also get fucked.
Exactly.
That's the thing.
I know about maybe me.
It can't be me when guys.
Yes. I was right.
Yes,
I told you yes.
while driving kaloku nonazala baqhuba yena
awuxoka ngawo
Uwe English
nguye bhaleyo united
ubhalileyo nguwe
Anyway, abathanguye basele, abathanguye mabasele.
I never had a threesome. Too obvious. Even the handwriting. That's handwriting. Ayibonakali ekhaya ingxaki.
Oh my God.
Handwriting yakhe le. Nguye lo.
Ayindim, who says it's me?
So nguwe. Ngoba okay. Ngiyakuthombani. Twa inkosi, wonke umuntu twa inkosi. So ngubani nguwe nyane? Nguwe nyane. Nguye nyani. Nguye nyani. Ubhale I love my girlfriend so much. Ngoba faku after much like.
Girlfriend.
I love my girlfriend so much. Much MUC.
Akona lahle simkhona.
Khawuveze le nto.
kuyintombazana lo
My girlfriend.
It's not.
Lesimkhona yangumjida.
Nansi. Ngizobe sithi dom nasi sizathu sithi dom nje.
Aw, bonke labazizwe kethi nani.
Ndimo bhalele.
Uzizwe.
I don't date girls.
Hama lesimkhona la. Lesimkhona ubishiziyo.
Uwe kukazikhombe wena.
Wayizoba ndim. Ngathi udom kodwa ndim kanyicingi nanje
Wenze
ezisenze.
bombe lesimkhona.
Abantu batshela ngazo zonke.
Send up bisexual ngo.
Kubani ke guys? Confession time.
My confession fast.
There's nothing wrong.
Chilo.
Wenze bombe.
Let us simkhono kuyena.
Okay.
So up next, what do we have?
Chillax.
The last one.
Ayo last one. It's Lena.
Yo ingathinde.
Make sure kuyo yonke into ba unayo imali.
Awuyintombi leyo. Oh,
Yo, hayi.
Nayo
Iyafana nalo.
iyafana nalo.
Ulitshela ithi alutsha please mpomba umatras. Akafika kamatras man.
Akafika kamatras man. Okay, ngibani nyanthele nyana. Uyasemahle. Iyafana nalo.
Yima bisile question ekabantu futhi.
Hey.
Le usano read.
Nansi ithi kasemahle mali ithi make sure yonke into
Yenza.
kuyo yonke into unayo imali whatever it is.
So everyone unayo unemali. Umuntu wakho is na everyone.
Yadiphenga lo ngibani
Kaloku wayeseye
Umuntu wakho akunika mali. Oh above 2000 yima.
current ne current
Unika mali.
unomkhona.
shenike mali
Collective.
7. Oh my.
Emanto kanje.
Lathi ngifuna uyigonza maintenance yaphuma nechomo.
Unika mali.
Yima emzakhe ziplan zakhe.
Ekapa salvusa kudala.
Oh my.
Except ungathini xa nowini 2 million amnika mali no alot.
Yazi vele
I know
okay
nobody
yazi
nika
go
zero
yima
cents,
futhi efeni futhi ucacela kahle bangenzani xa nowini 2 million.
Okay.
Okay. Yima kaloku anzokunclude bese ukunika no-rand mamela boy into noyenza mna ngene twana ukhabitha ungena 2 million into yokuqala ifika ngqondweni
Uphele umphayo.
into yokuqala ifika ngqondweni yam ngiyasikomora yenza kwangicakade ewe
Ndlele zami hleli zibuhlungu.
Otherwise, Joe, my bro, honestly speaking, what will it take for me to get the LP? Mama Joe, come as colors this level with you.
Yes, bani.
I can't
So koshelisa ngo.
why would you say fast? But the man tell the back. No. Come on. How's that phone? 100%.
99.
I think about go to.
I dare you to go home.
I dare you to go home.
But guys,
Ibinjani love yenu? Can you explain?
Yeah, can I explain?
okay. Exactly, zange be in love.
Imungenapho wena Joe.
Azange be in love.
Hey ndoni.
I feel like mna.
Uyangexpose
At my point of view, I feel like yayibasatyana.
Oh, kanjani? I don't know.
That's how I felt. That's why you get it. And like even if like I feel like no.
So
Maphinda utyane ke naye.
No.
yayiwiki game yam.
No.
Hey wrong man.
High rate.
Hey wrong. Sifuna uthi ndiwe hey wrong. Baby.
He's a son.
Okay, which one is yours?
And go to some.
Come here. He's a sister.
Shout out to Sane, man, himself. Like the guy who provided us with this food.
Ronaldo, mele lo qale yensu zam. Ngena kaloku. CR7 ngena kaloku.
Here's the guy who sneaker ukutya. Yabo. Here is his Instagram page.
Play button ngam.
Yima lo. He does ilanduka yabo. Yeah? Nangu lo mjido wenze zwi. Shout out to this man. Yabo. If we are out to some sort of a date, you can always hit him up, yabo.
No.
Jong winele mali pa kwi.
Okanye ba umbizele endlini. Uber Eats.
Yeah, Sane's Palace. Make sure you check him out, yabo.
The hardest they can't it's in Alabama, America, son. That pagamisa. At this point, I'm full of beach and full of things on police. She got ass, she not dead. Okay, let it dance, so okay, let's vice. She like, damn strong. Okay, yes, Ben Ronico. I'm full of money fame. Who knows Sarah said I'm funny coins. Money every day, but except it's the opposite. Lala every day, cause anyway, fuck the rules, man. Bear every day, but what's the minimum? Can't do too late. Got this thing to say, Kalen and telling people essentially. Bad bitches and covering. Fucking kids and my million. Yes! Clock it, Barcelona, clock it. I'll take it.
Let's go.
Oh my days!
hayi wena luthanda
Ngiyabona le chomi yami fa, la music video. Abanibonanga ngibonile. Ukhona nangiya. Ukhona wena. Ikhona mnacho.
W encokweni just before sibale. W encokweni. Yeah, we are coming back tomorrow.
It was nice. Otherwise,
W encokweni.